In the vast expanse of the cosmos, a glimmer of hope shines bright. A planet, Kepler 452b, orbits a distant star. This planet, our cousin in the vast cosmic sea, holds the promise of a new home for humankind. Kepler 452b is remarkably similar to Earth. It orbits a sun-like star within the habitable zone. This means it could have liquid water, the elixir of life. The discovery of Kepler 452b sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. Could this be the answer to our search for another Earth? Could this distant world offer a second chance for humanity? The possibility ignited our collective imagination. It fueled our desire to reach for the stars. The year is 2150. Humanity stands on the cusp of a new era. After centuries of dreaming, we are finally ready to embark on a journey to another star system. Our destination, Kepler 452b, a planet 1,400 light-years away. This is not just a mission of exploration, it is a mission of survival. Earth, our home, is facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, resource depletion, and overpopulation threaten our very existence. We must find a new home among the stars, and Kepler 452b is our best hope. The Genesis Project, humanity's most ambitious endeavor, was born out of necessity and hope. It represents the culmination of centuries of scientific and technological advancements. The best minds from every corner of the globe came together to make this journey possible. The goal to send a crew of 10,000 colonists to Kepler 452b, their mission to establish a permanent human settlement on this distant world. The Genesis Project is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. It is a beacon of hope in a time of uncertainty. The journey to Kepler 452b will be long and perilous, but the rewards are immeasurable. The chance to start anew, to build a better future for ourselves and our children, is a chance we cannot afford to miss. The challenges of interstellar travel are immense. The distances are staggering, measured in light-years. Traditional propulsion systems are woefully inadequate for such a journey. We needed a revolution in space travel. That revolution came in the form of fusion drives. Harnessing the power of the stars themselves, fusion drives provide the immense energy needed to propel a starship to near-light speed. Even with fusion drives, the journey to Kepler 452b will take decades. To survive the long journey, the crew will be placed in a state of suspended animation, cryosleep. This technology slows down the body's metabolic rate, effectively halting the aging process. Cryosleep ensures that the crew arrives at Kepler 452b, young and healthy, ready to face the challenges of building a new home. The day of departure arrived. Millions gathered across the globe, their eyes fixed on the sky. The Ark, our vessel of hope, stood gleaming on the launch pad, a monument to human ingenuity, ready to carry us to our destiny. As the countdown reached 0, the Ark roared to life. It ascended slowly at first, then with increasing speed until it disappeared into the vastness of space. From space, Earth looked fragile, a pale blue dot suspended in the void. The crew experienced the overview effect, a profound shift in perspective that astronauts often describe. Seeing Earth from this vantage point, they were reminded of the preciousness of our home planet, and the importance of their mission to find a new one. Section 5. The Long Night. Life in cryosleep and the passage of time. With Earth shrinking in the viewports, the crew prepared for cryosleep. They knew that when they awoke, they would be on the other side of the galaxy. A new world would await them. Cryosleep is a strange experience. It's not sleep as we know it. There are no dreams, no passage of time. One moment you're awake, the next you're waking up decades later. The ship's AI, a sophisticated artificial intelligence, monitored the ship's systems and the crew's vital signs. It was a silent guardian, ensuring the mission's success. Outside, the universe rushed by, a blur of stars and galaxies. Inside, the crew slept, oblivious to the vast distances being covered. Section 6. Awakening to a New Dawn. Arrival at Kepler 452b. Decades turned into centuries. The Ark hurtled through the vast emptiness of space. Finally, after a journey of 150 years, the ship's AI initiated the wake-up sequence. The long night was over. It was time for the crew to face their destiny. Emerging from cryosleep, the crew felt a mix of disorientation and exhilaration. They had made it. They were at Kepler 452b. Looking out the viewports, they saw a world that mirrored Earth in its beauty. Lush green continents were surrounded by azure oceans, swirling white clouds dotted the atmosphere. It was a sight that took their breath away. Kepler 452b was even more stunning than they had imagined. Section 7. First steps on an alien world, exploration and discovery. The landing was tense. The crew held their breath as the landing module touched down on the surface. When the all-clear signal was given, cheers erupted throughout the ship. They had made it. They were home. Stepping out onto the surface of Kepler 452b was a moment etched in history. The air was sweet and clean. The gravity, slightly stronger than Earth's, took some getting used to. The planet was teeming with life, strange and wonderful. Plants with bioluminescent leaves lit up the alien landscape. Creatures with 6 legs and iridescent skin scurried through the undergrowth. Every day brought new discoveries, expanding our understanding of life in the universe. Section 8. Seeds of Hope. Building a New Earth. The crew set to work building their new home. They deployed prefabricated structures, creating the first human settlement on an alien world. Hydroponic farms were established, using Kepler 452b's rich soil to grow food. The hum of construction filled the air as the colony began to take shape. Life on Kepler 452b wasn't without its challenges. The atmosphere, while breathable, required the use of filtration masks. The native life, while mostly harmless, presented some dangers. But the colonists persevered, driven by the hope of a better future. They were pioneers, building a new world for themselves and generations to come. Section 9. The Kepler Legacy. A beacon for humanity. The success of the Genesis project marked a turning point in human history. We had proven that we could overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges, that we could reach the stars and establish a presence beyond our home planet. Kepler 452b became a symbol of human resilience, ingenuity, and our enduring spirit of exploration. The colony thrived, growing into a bustling city powered by renewable energy. Children were born on Kepler 452b, the first generation of a new human lineage. They looked up at the night sky, filled with unfamiliar constellations, and dreamed of new horizons. Section 10. The Future of Exploration, Beyond Kepler 452b. The journey to Kepler 452b was just the beginning. It ignited a passion for exploration that spread throughout the solar system and beyond. New technologies were developed, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Generational ships, capable of supporting entire communities on journeys lasting centuries, were built. Humanity became a multi-planetary species, establishing outposts on Mars, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and even venturing further into the Kuiper Belt. The quest for knowledge, for new discoveries, became a driving force for humanity. We were no longer content to be bound to a single planet. The universe was ours to explore. Section 11. A universe of possibilities, the enduring spirit of discovery. The story of humanity's journey to Kepler 452b is ultimately a story about the human spirit. It's a story about our unquenchable thirst for knowledge, our relentless pursuit of progress, and our enduring hope for a better future. It reminds us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, we are capable of achieving the extraordinary. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the lessons learned from our past. We carry the knowledge that we are not alone in the universe, and we carry the hope that somewhere out there, among the billions and billions of stars, other life awaits our discovery. The universe is vast, filled with endless possibilities. It is up to us to explore it, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone.